Wakanda. The amount of prayers we left unanswered. Christmas Day, I never seen a Santa. I see my dog jump up in a.
Ever militant, so it and so it and. Humble like column. Tell them no confusion. Hey, pass me everybody.
Disappear, them a mock general water. Them a set chop, but we skip that we call a shot. At the jam, tell me drop them.
Eyes with her tongue. Hey, how that a steer pa me? Alone send stinky dear pa me.
From we feel that, hear me now. FLA, good me no bother want nothing. Me there so one.
Tell Jedi left fish shotty, bring you one way shoot faster. Extend up on the blick, him and the belly full of torture. Sin of them we pop a pill and put a whip up on a Tara and a.
Oh, bother me. Oh, you not fire rifle charge. Quick push shot, boy, what a easy target.
13 are too much rest. Till my heart don't feel no pain. Me no feel no time.
Must kill up, must kill up. Purple jeans on, girl, yeah, the Benz and leaving job.
Just I'ma make sure the triangle mountain at the circle. My return rising star, the like I sing like not the virtue. Life nice, but it's still not really sweet like smarty per.
So what made you want to desert Cartel?
Loyalty, negativity.
Round Cartel?
Round Cartel, round the whole thing, you see me I say. So we just go and looking at ourselves. Mama say youth. We don't like how the thing looking at Mama Christian. You see me I say, and she sit me down and say, you know, so I don't like how the thing look and me I see it for myself.
Your mom?
Alright then, mom.
Okay.
You see me I say, so we just say, alright then, you know what? Move on, cause too much negativity and he's a brother when I look out for nobody but himself. So it wasn't healthy for my personal life and for being an artist around it. See it straight.
So it caused animosity between both of you.
Well, definitely.
And it seemed like there is still a feud going on between your J.O.P. and Cartel's empire. Well, what's left of it. How do you feel about his predicament at the moment?
Well, seriously, no matter say we and Cartel and a friend, we don't wish bad for nobody.
Yes.
Get the message me I say, and he's a youth to even pray for.